Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about turning something most people throw away into fresh, growing food. Have you ever looked at your kitchen scraps, like onion roots, green onion ends, or celery bases, and wondered if they could actually grow again? Most of us toss these scraps straight into the trash without thinking twice. But what if I told you that some of the easiest vegetables to grow don't even start with seeds? In this video, I challenged myself to grow vegetables using only kitchen scraps. No seeds, no soil bags from the store, and no fancy equipment. Just leftovers from everyday cooking and a little patience. I'll show you what scraps you can regrow, how I did it, what worked, what didn't, and whether growing food from kitchen scraps is actually worth trying. Let's get started. Kitchen scraps are the parts of vegetables we usually throw away, like roots, stems, and ends. Many people don't realize that these scraps still contain life and can regrow under the right conditions. This method is perfect for beginners because it's simple, low risk, and almost free. It's also great for small spaces like apartments, balconies, or windowsills. For this experiment, I focused on vegetables that are known to regrow easily. Here's what I used: green onions, lettuce bases, celery bottoms, garlic cloves, onion roots, herbs like basil and mint. These are common kitchen scraps that most people already have at home. The setup was incredibly simple. I placed the scraps in small containers with a little water, making sure only the roots were submerged. Within a few days, I started seeing new growth, fresh green shoots growing right from the scraps. After about a week, some of the scraps were strong enough to be transferred into soil so they could keep growing long-term. The best part? The setup cost was basically $0, since everything came from my kitchen. Daily care was very minimal. Each day, I spent about 5 to 10 minutes changing the water, checking for mold, and placing the plants near sunlight. Once transferred to soil, they only needed light watering and regular sunlight. This made it incredibly beginner-friendly and easy to maintain. After 30 days, the results were honestly surprising. Green onions regrew multiple times and could be harvested again and again. Lettuce produced new leaves, celery grew fresh stalks, and herbs continued to sprout new growth. While these plants didn't grow as large as store-bought vegetables, they provided a steady supply of fresh greens for cooking. Let's talk about cost. Cost of growing from kitchen scraps, $0 to $5. Cost of buying the same vegetables from the grocery store, $60 to $80 per month. Even though the harvest size is smaller, the savings add up over time, especially for herbs and green onions that are frequently purchased. Here's what this challenge taught me. Many vegetables can regrow without seeds. Kitchen scrap gardening is extremely low cost. It reduces food waste significantly. It's perfect for beginners and small spaces. It helps you appreciate where food really comes from. Not everything regrew perfectly, but the success rate was higher than expected. So, is growing vegetables only from kitchen scraps worth it? For me, the answer is yes, especially if you're just starting out or want a zero-waste way to grow food. You won't replace your entire grocery trip, but you can easily supplement your meals with fresh greens. It's simple, sustainable, and surprisingly satisfying to grow food from something that would normally be thrown away. If you enjoyed this experiment, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more real-life gardening experiments and beginner-friendly challenges. Comment below. Have you ever tried growing vegetables from kitchen scraps? Thanks for watching, happy growing, and see you in the next video.